1684 there was wind and snow and fog and a storm. The streets were empty on that night except for one stumbling man. He had a wooden leg and a tooth of gold that was taken by the dark look cold. He had a rusty pistol that smelled like piss, an odd name and a ship he missed. Hey, hey, Mr. Monkey, hoist the colors, we won't flee, we've left our lands for piracy and hope that we won't die. Hey, hey, king of the seas, wave the anchors, load the cannons with a bottle of rum, some fish and the sun, we will never die. Arr. Ship stayed strong, she always brought us where we belong. The Golden Mongolia was her name. She defeated monsters, pirates and hurricanes. A mighty crew was on her board, made of fighters, thieves, competency lords. They all had sworn the legends to the captain, only him could save them on the ocean. Hey, hey, Mr. Monkey, hoist the colors, we will flee, we've left our lands for piracy and hope that we won't die. His faithful ships sank, following him to the deepest and darkest